काल जी फिश वांगडात
खूपशी मेली
वांगडा
So we called for a meeting of the concerned departments. There was Fisheries Department, Pollution Control Board, and WRD. So what the departments are saying is, again, because of the sewage that is flowing into the lake, that is why all the fish have died. So now they're just Control Board has taken samples. So they are going to check and see what comes from the reports. See, anyway, on the 15th. See, now if you see, this is part of a wider problem that's happening in Panjim right now also. Panjim, not even in Panjim, I would say Panjim. If you look at the Santanes creek, now there is a lot of sewage that's flowing into the thing. There are a lot of colonies that are releasing their sewage. There are a lot of people that are dumping debris into the sewage. So it's turning into a health disaster, I would say. In the next 2-3 years it will happen. So what we've done is on the 15th of basically day after tomorrow, we've called for a meeting of all the departments. So now whether it is now say Pollution Control Board, BWD Water Supply, Sewerage Department, even the people who are Fisheries Department, River Navigation, everybody. So now anybody that has anything, even the Director of Municipality, we will be a party, and Panchayat Secretary also will be coming. So now what is happening is, now see, Smart City had done a aeration project. It didn't work. It didn't work because basically they were looking at only one small isolated part. So they were not they didn't look at an overall comprehensive plan. So what we're hoping now is with the help of say WRD also and all of the other departments, we're looking at more of a comprehensive plan for the entire waterway, right? So starting all the way from Nagali till the outflow here next to old GMC. Another thing is that why we've convened the meeting of all the departments is because now one, it has to be a holistic approach. Now, for example, WRD cannot be made the only department responsible because there is sewage being released. Now there are issues that comes under, like say, the corporation or panchayat or DMA. So now we have to work towards solving all of those issues. Now there are certain areas where there are no sewage system. So those areas will have to be looked at. Kamarabat has no sewage system as of now. So the thing is that we have to. This is not going to be. See, we are not looking at a temporary solution. So this is not some 6-month plan or 7-month plan. This plan is going to be more of a 5-year plan. So towards the end of it, we are looking at stabilizing the creek basically, getting COD levels down, BOD levels down. So we will look at Mala Lake as well, and we will look at the Lakeview Colony Lake also. The only way forward, I believe, is if we basically get all the departments together, hire a proper consultant who will basically look at the entire thing. So that is what our plan is. Hopefully we should start with the appointment in the next 3 months.
What pollution board has said?
Pollution. So now they have said it's only because of the lack of oxygen and because of the sewage that is coming into.
That is the reason.
Yeah, and see, WRD also is very strict in the sense now they cannot keep releasing sewage into the river also. So that also is not a solution. So now why we are looking at this comprehensive plan is because you need a solution for this. You need a long-term proper solution. All the departments are on the same page where we get a consultant. See, the most important thing is we have a lot of locals who are living in these areas. A lot of locals will provide valuable feedback in terms of how the tender should go forward, the advice that should go to the consultant. Which in all these projects now we have left aside a lot of the local knowledge that we have. So once the tender is ready, we want to bring in a lot of people who live in these areas and see what their suggestions and everything.
What solution is suggested on this?
See, as of now there's a lot of now again the same thing also now. They don't want to. Right now they're flushing it now because what's the dead fish.
Okay.
But otherwise also, WRD saying, which is also correct, is they cannot release it willfully into the river. So then again you're releasing sewage and everything into another water body also, which is not correct. So now the only way forward is to work on a permanent plan.
Local also complained there is a water flow which is there, which is dumped or some debris over there.
So whatever is dumped there also now we will get in the process of clearing. So there's only one notified site. We have to prepare a tender for removal of it, which we will do.
That could be also a reason.
No, the debris has nothing to do with the thing of the fish. That they were saying is only sewage and water supply.
मैं सीवेज लोकल ड्रम करता है डिपार्टमेंट ड्रम करता हूँ सर.
No, see, as of now, everything is connected. See, there are some households who might have not connected to the network. Right? So now what we've, at this meeting now, so same thing what we're going to do is we are going to assess this in Talegaon and Panjim as well. What we're going to do is we're going to identify each and every household that is releasing sewage and find solutions. Now there are some colonies, for example, the builder built a colony with the expectation that the sewage network will be connected. But it has not happened so far for various reasons. Right? Land has to be acquired, whatever the delays are. So now the sump is too small, or some colonies don't have the funds to repair their sumps. So that's what I'm saying. So we have to look at each individual kind of. That will take some time. So we're working on it.
जे आमचे सांतिनेज क्रीक आहा तुमी आयडेंटिफाय करतले कोण उदक सोडटा सिवरेजाचें उदक वो डायरेक्ट उदक सोडटा जाल्यार तुमी तांकां धरतले आनी फायनूय दितले म्हणून
See what has happened the last time also, even when the smart city thing was going on. A lot of those were identified and they were sealed. Now what they're doing, a lot of them have punctured the walls again and are releasing sewage again. So now that we are doing this whole exercise again now to sit and identify who these people are also. That is why we're having a joint meeting with everybody. So we have to tackle it stage wise. First we have to stop all of the sewage that is going into our water bodies first and only then the next step will happen. So 15th is the first meeting with all the departments. From that meeting then we will check and see what the next step will be.
all three lakes you will be
Yeah, this lake, that, Santinez, basically any water body that we have in Panchim, we want covered under this. So we want to have, see, it is not going to be a cheap thing. It is going to be upward of 80, 90, 100 crores. So what we want to do is we want to approach the central government also for funding. We want to check and see who has done a good job throughout India of cleaning up their waterways also and use that as an example. So it's a start. So hopefully within the next 2, 3, 4 months, we should have a tender for a consultant on board.
so it will
Mayor-
be clean
Mayor-
like a crystal clean
That is my ultimate hope.
Mayor-
Just always talk about how they can swim in the thing. If we can get it back to that, then nothing like it. That's the ultimate dream.
डिस्पायट सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट सुद्दां पणजेक ते सीवेजी खातीर पावना
Sorry?
सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट हरशीं पणजे आसा म्हणटा तालिगांव स्टील तो पावना पणजे खातीर थंय
No, that is actually there are issues everywhere also. I don't want to blame anybody. There are a lot of problems that we need to solve. Blaming somebody also is not going to help. So what we want, that is why we're getting everybody on the same table. Any project that is done earlier is done with only one department doing only their specific thing. So right now we need to change our approach basically. Otherwise it's not going to work. So that's why we're reaching out to every department to see what can be done. Yeah.
The voice for Coin.